mga Pilipino na talagang meron na talagang pageant para sa mga married women or mga established?
I think for me, I believe na, alam mo yun, the women of today, like us, mothers, I gain more learnings now than before during my childhood days or nung bata pa ako. Mas may naintindihan ko ngayon and mas natuto ako. So, sayang naman if we cannot showcase the talent, the beauty of these women, of these mothers na marami kasi, some of them are, yung sinasabi nating unfinished mission or business nila during the time na mga dalaga pa sila. So some of them are married in their early age, so they cannot push through or pursue their dreams of becoming a queen. So I'm so thankful that there is Mrs. Universe, who can encourage everyone, who give this kind of platform to all of the women to showcase not only their beauty, not only their talent, but they can share their own story. Because that stories of them is their power. Especially, it's like also my own experience. Why I joined Mrs. Universe. I joined Binibining Pilipinas before, but I didn't win. I thought that that was the finish line of my career of being a title holder, of being a beauty queen. But there is Mrs. Universe, and look what I am right now. I'm the title holder.